Hallelujah, God show me how to get the moolah. Money on my mind, I'm talking about my medulla. Passing through the winter, that's why I'm getting cooler. I'ma do me, I don't care if you're gonna do ya. Double up my hustle, going broke doesn't mean you're fragile. The thought of paper got me feeling agile. Money once you got none, then you got a language barrier. They told me to mind my own business, what a coincidence. I got that money on my mind, punch it.
When I'm open bottom, trying to make a